In this video, we are going to unlock free multiple chart layouts on TradingView. Hello mini traders, in this video we're going to learn how we can activate TradingView layouts for free. I suggest you to watch this video till the end because I will give you several solutions and you can choose the efficient one that suits you the best. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell under this video for more videos of this kind. Let's get started. As you see, if you open a TradingView chart, you can see a rectangle here, which is for selecting different layouts. You can choose one of these layouts and it would change the layout for you only if you have paid for the account. But if you are using TradingView with a free account, you can do what I do for having different layouts. Search for Tile Tabs V Chrome extension in your Google Chrome, and it will bring you an extension for Google Chrome. Then click on Add to Chrome and it will be installed. There's a small point about using this extension. You have to open TradingView website in any number of tabs you need, and then before opening charts, right click in one of the tabs and select the layout you want, and also click on this button for full screen, so the elements in this page will not bother you. If you're using Firefox, there's an extension for this browser too. You can just search Tiles Tab V, install and use it just like what we did in Google Chrome. Now, what about installing a specific browser for just trading? Vivaldi is the name of this browser. Search Vivaldi and download it. And after installation, you can open as many charts as you would need in TradingView. Then you can choose all of the tabs using Shift button, and then right click and select Tile 4 tabs as you can see in this example. You can press F11 key for full screen view. That's it for this video. If it was helpful, don't forget to like it so other people would have more chance to see it too. Thanks for watching, have a good time and bye.